Good morning, everyone. This is Mickey. Welcome to Hills Mill Homestead. In this video, we're going to explore deep into electroculture. Think of this channel as electroculture gardening, growing more food, growing more freedom. Your garden is more than just a source of food, it's a path to freedom. Growing more food and living a more self-sustainable life. Finding freedom and independence right in your own backyard. My goal is to share my knowledge and hands-on experience with electroculture so you can grow healthier and more nutritious food. So if you're ready to start this journey with me, hit that subscribe and ring that notification bell. Let's begin. The Earth has a molten outer core of iron and nickel surrounding a solid inner core. As the molten metal flows and spins, it acts like a giant dynamo. Moving conductive metals generate electric currents, and those currents create magnetic fields. This constant churning motion produces the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field extends outward into space, forming the magnetosphere. This shield protects life on Earth. This same electromagnetic energy flowing around the Earth also creates natural electric currents in the soil and the atmosphere. Field lines exit the magnetic South Pole and enter the magnetic North Pole. I have over 4 decades of experience using electroculture methods. I designed my garden and orchard electroculture antennas with 12-gauge solid copper wire wound clockwise for the northern hemisphere. The antennas draw down atmospheric energy into the soil, giving increased nutrient uptake. It improves the soil microbial activity and stimulation of plant bioelectric processes. For best results, place your electroculture antenna on the south side of your plant, 4 to 6 inches away and 2 to 4 inches deep. In garden beds, position the antenna in the center where it can influence a 3-foot radius. Placing your electroculture antenna on the south side is logical as it aligns with the natural south to north magnetic energy flow, helping that energy pass through your plants or fruit trees. The Electroculture orchard antenna works the same way, only on a larger scale. Place the antenna on the south side of your fruit tree, approximately 1 foot away and 6 inches deep, where it can influence a 9-foot radius. If you'd like to purchase my Electroculture antennas and help support this channel, visit my website, hillsmill.com. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of electroculture and how it works. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.